Hey everybody, it is Dr. Tim Harrigan. I am with my 4 children and a friend of ours, and we're gonna show you that even these little guys should be very active, do exercises, body weight movements, right? A lot of kids do this anyway, but these little guys come out in our gym here and they actually work out with us, and it's very beneficial to them. Remember the old myth of, don't start doing exercises when you're young, it'll inhibit your growth? Completely crazy. Unless you're doing powerlifting at this age, these guys should be more active. We're so sedentary, there's so much screen time, there's so many processed foods, there's so much sitting in school. We have to become more active. So these guys literally exercise with us. It's part of our lifestyle. It's not something we should do, it's something that we have to do because your brain is developed based on how you move. 90% of your brain's energy actually controls your physical body in relationship to gravity. Understand what I just said. 90% of the calories your brain burns in one day is spent controlling this physical body in relationship to the gravitational pull. It's pretty incredible. If somebody's not feeling good, if I feel like I'm getting depressed or anxious or foggy brain or memory issues or whatever, we have to get people moving more because that's, again, how your brain is stimulated through the motion of our bodies. So let's get more active. We're gonna show you guys a few exercises that we have our kids do with us. They do a lot more. We're gonna keep it pretty simple here for you though.
Remember, push-ups, planks, squats, and pull-ups.
Let's do a plank. So I'm gonna go down to your elbows, go down to your toes, and then I'm gonna kind of correct your body based on if you're doing it right or not, okay? Right, mark on your elbows, there you go. Keep this straight as a board, good job. Come up just a little bit here, there you go, right there, hold that, okay? Come down a little bit, Pager, there you go, right there. That's awesome. Good job, guys. Rest a second. Let's do some push-ups. All right, rest a second. Okay, put your hands down. I want you to do a plank with your hands on the ground now. Do a push-up. We're gonna do push-ups, Pager. So get your hands under you. Yep. And I want you guys to keep that, remember that position I just had you in. None of this is gonna move. Keep this straight. You're just gonna use your arms and shoulders and come slow to the ground, touch your chest to the ground. Come on down, all the way down, and then come up. And down, and up. Good job, one more. All the way down, touch your chest, all the way down, and up. Go, go, go. Good job, guys. All right, so next, let's do some squats. Okay, Mark, go ahead and stand up. Remember, watch your feet kind of apart right here, shoulder width. Okay, and you're gonna drop your butt down and squat down. There you go. Stay on your heels a little bit more, Mark. Sit your butt down a little bit further. Yeah, kind of sit back more. There you go. Come down and up. Let's do 4 in a row. Down and up. Down and up. One more.